WICR Sports.
The monkey is finally off their back. The Iona women's basketball team finally ended their 4-game losing streak last Saturday against the Wagner Seahawks. Needless to say, the team is more relaxed now following the 74-64 win. Junior Jackie Marshall on the team's mood following the big victory.
Especially after coming off of those losses where we could have actually won and beat Providence, but it was a great feeling to actually win.
Now the team looks to continue their success this Wednesday evening when the Bryant Bulldogs come to the Heinz Athletic Center. The Gaels have relied on the play of sophomore standout Tamika Martinez and two-time MAC Rookie of the Week Joy Adams. But in order for the Gaels to win, players need to follow the coach's game plan. Jackie Marshall explains how to defeat the Bulldogs.
The key is definitely defense. They go a lot in transition, and we've got to stop them in transition. So that's basically what we need to do.
The Iona men's program is also coming off an impressive win. The Gaels defeated the Purple Eagles last Wednesday by a score of 83-72, led by the valiant efforts of Sean Armand and Curtis Dennis. Together, they combined for 35 points. And after a long week of practice, the Sharpshooters look to continue their hot streak tomorrow when MAC play continues for the Gaels. Iona travels down to Jersey City, New Jersey to take on the Peacocks of St. Peter's. St. Peter's currently holds a 3-4 record, but having lost their last 4 games, their confidence may be wavering. With the win, the Gaels would improve to 4-2 on the season and 2-0 in the MAC. For more information on Iona athletics, tune to icgales.com. I'm Jonathan Stanko.